it's Louise with louisemckayart, and welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here, and I'm trying to do something for Valentine's. And what I've already started, you already saw. I've painted this pink, this base, and so I am going to insert it here. I used the Persian Rose from Amsterdam as my base, and I'm just going to show you here. I'm using just a regular paintbrush. I'm going to dab down a couple drops of the paint, and then as I go through this, I'm going to add a little spritz of water to make it more supple and runny. That makes it easier to spread across the heart. And I'm just going to go through this really quick, showing you little tidbits, and then come back to the creation. So what you don't see here is the back, which is taped off. I just taped around the edges just to protect it because I know I'm going to resin this in the end. And also make sure you get the edges. And yeah, that's about it. I'm going to come back for the paint pour. I'm going to do a bloom on the silicone mat, and then I'm going to use one of these palette knives to, like I do on my ornaments, scoop it up and place it down. And I hope I can make this work. All right, so let's get started. So what I've got here is my Multi-Pro PPG 47-3110. I use this a lot. I need to get a creation so that I can scoop it up and transfer it over. And we shall see how this works. Colors. Okay, this is Atelier's Dioxazine Purple with Deco Arts Amethyst. So I'll be laying that down first, and I'm just going to start out with a regular bloom. And we'll see how this goes. Is that enough? Next color is Deco Arts Rose Quartz. Give a little dropping in the center. Yeah, I've never done, actually I have done this before, but not like I'm doing it here, where I'm scooping up and transferring. You know, obviously I've done it on my ornaments, but that's a very different thing than doing it on a flat surface like this. This is TLP Sangria and a little bit of Caput Mortem Violet. Now this is a little bit thinner color compared to the others, but I'm not worried. You know, you want your consistencies to be pretty close, but once again, for something this small, it's not critical. Okay, my next color is Artez's Pearl Hot Pink. Yeah, I'm really thinking hard about doing different things this year. So I've been really soul searching. Artez's Bordeaux Red. Actually, I'm going to put a little dash. No, you know, I'm going to leave the purple out because that purple will take over. I'm going to go with the red next. Yes, and as I lay things down, I am thinking the whole time how I think it might show up, how it's going to work. I don't know if I have enough pillow. Oh, that's interesting. You know, every time I'm learning something, I don't know if you can see that. The purple. It's kind of fractaling on the edges. Very strange reaction. All right, cell activator. I'm going to go with a pink first. This is Persian Rose. And then I'm going to lay down the cell activator, the white on top of it. This is my American Floetrol. And I know because I label it AM. Video 141. I'll link it above if you want to see how I create it and what ingredients are in there. Yeah, I don't know if I have enough pillow down. I better be ready. Okay, here we go. Titanium white. So I'm blowing straight down into the cell activator to try to get it to form a perfect circle like you see there, and get a little bit of a divot, and right where that white meets up, the white cell activator meets up to the paints, that's exactly where I'm aiming my blow. If you want to see a really good video on how to blow like a pro, it's video 419, I'll link it above. Check it out. It talks about the speed of your blow, the angle, and all the little nuances of blowing out your cell activator. And while I have your attention, just remember that this is going to be the second of the 2 giveaway videos for an opportunity to win a set of coasters or jar. I'll have a code word I'll announce later. And if you need to see how to enter this giveaway, it's in video 461 within the video and also within the description. I'm going to give you a clue here. There are 2 parts to the code word. One I will announce today, and the second part you have to know how to figure out, and that's in video 461. Interesting. And if you're new to the giveaway opportunities, the opportunities to enter were in video 462, the last video, and this video, and the deadline to enter is Friday, February 21st. And I will announce the winners sometime during the week of February 24th. I'll tell you right now, I don't have enough pillow. Let's give it. I'm going to do this first, stretch out the edges, just break up that surface tension so it gets to flow. Let's see what we get. These are colors I don't work with very much, but this is a cool combination. Purple and red, that's really unusual. And if you're curious where I got this spinner from, it was a gift from Jessica Winterstrom. So check out Winterstrom Art if you want to get one for yourself. Get a little extra pillow over here. Give it some more space to flow. Got my window open so you can hear chainsaws. Yeah, we're not done yet with Helene. All right, I am not organized. Here we go. I don't normally think of purple and red going together, and I don't know if it really is. I just don't know if this paint is going to spread far enough for me. And that will be the tricky part. Is picking this thing up and laying it down there. I am already thinking about that, and I need to focus on what I'm doing here. I mean, I think we'll go with that. Now, what I need to do, I need to make space. I'll be back. That's really pretty. So let me move this out of the way. Let's move you in. Actually, you know what? See, I have not done this before. I'm going to put you over here. I'll put you down here. I should have thought through this a little bit more. Okay, so just like with my ornaments, I'm going to use the big scoop. And just like with my ornaments, I'm going to have to lay some pillow down on this. So that when I pick up the composition, I don't swallow it onto the palette knife. Okay. Let me think through this. How do I want to go? Maybe, let's see. Gotta think about this for a second. Just gonna go with what I feel. Scoop. The giveaway code word for this video is bloom. The code word is bloom. Remember to include that in the comments with the second part that I covered in video 461. Woof! Take a breather. Something get in there? Like a goober in there. Okay, I'm not thrilled about the white. I should have thought about that. But what I can always do with this is I can paint it. Let's tilt it a little bit. I don't think I'm gonna have any paint to take off. Let's I'd like to get rid of this white, but I don't know how to do that without messing it all up. How do I do that? I'm thinking. Okay, I'm gonna take a break here for a second. All right, I'm gonna give this a little spin. I think that's what I should do. I wanna try to get this white off. We'll see what happens as I spin this. My composition is lacking. I really would have liked to have gone like this, down, versus up. Do I want to try this again? Try to get that white off. Almost. Well, I'm not sure what I think about this. You know, for a first try, I kind of like that I have the negative space there. That makes it interesting. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna call this done. This is where we are. So before I show the final resined Valentine, I'm just gonna recap the giveaway, which encompasses last video, which is 462, and this one, 463. So you have 2 chances to win, 2 chances to enter. And in case you missed it, for this video, I already announced the code word. In the comments of both videos, you need to enter the code word for that video and the extra part. So there's 2 parts to the code word. The information about how to find out how to get the code word is all in video 461. you need to check out that video so that you can enter properly for these 2 videos. I wish everyone the best, and I'll be drawing the winners on camera. Shipping is free to the US, and overseas, please, I would ask that you pay for shipping. Also, remember to check out my description for links to videos and links to the products I use. So here she is, fully finished and resined, and I'm really happy with how she turned out. And actually, I'm going to have a bonus Valentine video I'll put out tomorrow with the same colors and with a straight bloom, so you can see the difference in how they work. So if you're new here and haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, hit the bell and all. You'll get all my latest art tutorials. And I ask that everybody please double check your subscription to make sure it is on all, because sometimes YouTube bounces it off of that selection. So with all that, I'm going to call this a wrap. Take care, everybody. Till next time.